Hello, model railroad fans. Well, I've been working on this first peninsula today, and I think I've got the track work sort of worked out. I'll show you a video of the cement hoppers coming around to go through the cement plant there. I think this is how they ended up at the end of the video, but I should have broke the train one more. I could get one more hopper here, and then that way I could just leave these guys on this front part. I think that would be okay. I've got a turnout here. I'll probably put another one down there maybe. I'm thinking about I've got an oil refinery kit. That might look pretty good back down here. And I could shuffle oil cars back here on the siding. So I'm undecided on that yet, but anyway, that's progress on this peninsula. This is a pretty tight curve, pretty tight turnout. Some of my locos don't like it. The one in the video is okay, although it's dicey. But I might have to just get a couple of GPs and con system and use those. Over here on the coal power plant, I've got my coal painted. I don't have the actual loose coal spread and glued on it. I'll do that later. Built a couple, painted my landforms here. A couple of those. I'll do parking lot here, going back into there too, probably. Get some trees back in there. There'll be trees all along this thing and grass on top, and I'll mix colors, so some will be brown and yellow, so get rid of all that green. I just wanted to seal it for now. And then my substation will go over here. So that's an update on the coal plant. Other than the putting the cement plant in, not much else going on. Thanks for watching.